In this lesson, we're gonna talk about images. First, let's clean up this code. Let's remove those parts and also those styles. If you want to add an image to your app, you just need to import it from React Native. So let's clean this and type image. Image is a React Native component we're gonna use to render images to the app. Okay, how to use this component? You can just type image. Since we're not gonna put anything between them, so you can make it self-closing tag like that. Okay, this image take a main property called source. Inside source, you have to pass require function, require, and inside require, just you need to put the path of your image. For example, we have here in our app, we have a folder called assets. Inside this assets, you can find a couple of images like this, or like this icon, or this splash. Let's try to render this icon. To render this icon, you have to put the path to it. We are here in the root folder and the assets folder inside the root. So you just add one dot splash. Then select assets, then add splash and add the icon name. For example, it's called splash icon.png. So let's type splash icon.png and press save. Now we've rendered this image, but it takes all of the screen. So we need to give it a height and width. So let's close this and add to it styling. So just add the style property and it's gonna be styles dot image 1, for example. We are using here the style sheet. So let's add this object here, image 1, and add width and height. Let's make the height 200 pixels and the width 200 pixels as well. Now we got here our image with 200 pixels of height and 200 pixels of width. If you are worrying with those paths, we're gonna talk about those paths later, don't worry. But I want to mention a very important thing. When you use this require function, you are loading the image locally and add those images to the bundle, and this will lead to a big bundle size, and that's not good for optimization and performance. So we prefer not to use require in all cases, except if you need to use it. So there is another way to add images to your app. You can add them from a URL. For example, if we open a website called Lorem Biscom, this is an image generator. You just need to copy this link and go to our code and create a new image. Inside it, we're gonna pass the source, but inside URI. We're gonna not using required. We're gonna use URI, and just put the link here and press save. Let's see. Now our image is not appear because we need to give it a height and width, because rendering the image using URI is different from require. Require is get the image with the height and width of the image selected. But when you are using URI, it doesn't get the height and width from internet. So we need to add a style for it. Let's add style and just type styles dot, let's make it image 2. Now let's define it down here, image 2, and let's give him also height and width of 200 and press save. Now we got here our image. If you have a look at the official documentations of React Native, you're gonna find a lot of useful properties for images. For example, we have here a property called blur radius. This, if you want to make a blur effect to your image. For example, let's copy it and try it. Let's try it in second image. blur radius, let's make it, for example, 10. Now see what happens to the image. We have also a couple of properties and event that you can use. So you can have a look at these documentations and try a couple of those properties if you want. One last thing I want to mention. What if you want to make your image as a circle? To make it as a circle, you have to add a border radius property and give it the half value of height and width. For example, we have here 200 and 200, so let's make the border radius 100. Now it becomes a circle.